This is Mr. Adewale, your mathematics teacher. So today we are considering longitude and latitude. Longitude and latitude, and like you see the sketch, lines of longitude and the lines of latitude. So you can see them there. So the lines of latitude, you see them, they run from west. Lines of longitude runs from west to east. And you see lines of longitude from north to south. All right. So this is the equator, the line that divides it into two. Now we have the equator. At the center is the equator. These are the lines of longitude. These are the lines of latitude. So we're going to go straight because of time. So the question 1, a plane flies due east. That's towards east now. So we're doing that together now. A plane flies due east. This west, this east now. Sorry. A plane flies due east. So a plane flies due east from latitude 53° north, longitude 25°. That's the first point, 25° east. So to a point B, latitude 53° north, longitude 85° east. So let's quickly locate those points, point A and point B. So this is the equator. So you can have another one here. All right. So the latitude is 53° north, and like I told us now, the lines of latitude. So latitude 53, this is 53° north. So this is northward. This lines of latitude. Now, so point A now, we have, that's 25° east. This east now. And then the second one is 85. So I take the second one again. So this is 85. Let's say it's 85. So connect them to the center. Now we have these points. So this is 25 here. But from here to here is 85. So let me take that out. Look at it. Let me draw it so you understand it. You have it like this. This is 25. This is 85. So this point A, this point B. So this is 85 now. This point A and point B. So the angle we need is here. And 85. From here to here is 85. That's from here to this line. So to get the angle AB, so angle AB simply be 85 minus 25. And that's 60 degrees. So that's the angular difference. We call that the angular difference. The angular difference. Another way to understand that, we want to get the angular difference, locate the longitude. Now you see it. If they are the same direction as east, you subtract them. If they are not the same, maybe east, west, then you add them. So that's a simpler way of doing it. This is what I've expressed here. So we want to find, at first now, let's move on. So the first thing, can calculate the distance between A and B now. That's A and B. Distance A and B. The distance, how do you calculate it? That will be the angle now. The angular difference over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Meanwhile, r will be r cos alpha. Now, alpha here is the latitude. Latitude. Capital R has been given as the radius of the earth. Radius of the earth has been given to us. So we calculate this now. We'll do that together. So let's do that. So line AB, now be theta, the angular difference, 60. Now, so cos 53, that's 0.6018. So by the time you multiply this 42 now, then you get the answer. And the nearest kilometer, that's 4,035 kilometers. That's the nearest kilometer. That's distance AB. That's distance AB. Now, the second question, if you check the question now, it says the time taken, the time the plane takes to reach point B, the plane takes to reach point B. Now, how do we calculate that time? From now, speed will be total distance all over total time taken. And you want to, so time will be total distance all over speed. All over speed. What's the total distance? That's 435 that we have gotten divided by 34.9 now. Divided by the speed. The speed has been given in the question 400. 400. 400. So if you check that, that will be 10.08 hours. That's the time. So, and that will be 10 hours. That's to the nearest hour. Nearest hour. Nearest hour. Nearest hour. 10 hours. That's 10 hours. 10 hours. So the third question, we want to calculate the latitude of C. So if you read the question forward, it said a plane flies due east from latitude from point A, that's latitude 53 degree north, longitude 25 degree east, to point B, latitude 53 degree north, longitude 85 degree east, at an average speed of 400 km per hour. That's what we have used there to get the time. Now the plane then flies. So from that point, it flies southward. That's it moves downward to a point C, and the distance is what? 2,000 km away. So you have to calculate the latitude of C now. We want to calculate the latitude of C now. So we know the distance will be 2,000 kilometers. Now, how do we calculate the latitude of C now? All right. Now, okay, the distance BC will be the latitude over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. But here is going to be capital R here. Now there is a time when you use small r here. This now 2 times now. If it's going to be when there is a movement on the lines of longitude, when the movement on lines of longitude or is around the equator, then we use the radius of the earth. Now if it's on the long lines of latitude, you use small r, and that will be r cos alpha. So this now is moving on the lines of longitude, that's from point B to point C, 2,000 kilometers away. So that's why it's capital R. So, and the distance is 2,000 kilometers now, will be alpha that we want to get over 360 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 22 over 7, then multiplied by 6,400. So now, so alpha invariably will be 2,000 multiplied by 360 multiplied by 7 divided by 44 multiplied by 6,400. So if you calculate it now, you will get our alpha, and alpha will be 17.9 degree. When you multiply this and divide by 44 multiplied by 6,400, you get 17.9 degree. So that's the alpha. But you know that We are doing alpha is an angular difference. Angular difference. Angular difference. Now, I know it's angular difference now. So now from north, now I know it's 2 points. 2 points. So how do you do it? We have been told the first latitude is 53 degree north. Now it has moved to south now, 53 degree north. So it's simple. You just note that the latitude of C will be 53 degree minus 17.9 degree, and that will be 35.1 degree, or approximately that's 35 degrees. That's to the nearest degree. Now, how did you get this? I explained angular difference the other time. If they're on the same side, it moves a bit downward. On the same side, when you're on the same side, you subtract 53 minus 17 points. They're on the same side, B and C now. You subtract it because they're on the same side. So 53 minus 17 points, that's how we got this. I hope that is clear. I'll give you a question that you will attempt, and you drop your answer or comments at the comment section. God bless you.